Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a surprise package in the mail. This is from SARZIA. Best Wagons at SARZIA. Smudge is right here, and he's spreading out, so there goes my lipstick. I'm gonna tell you what I'm wearing. Smudge. Okay, on my eyes, I have one of the ColourPop Flyaway palettes. This is from a while ago. There were a set of 5, I believe, and they were all different shades. This one, it's a Flyaway pressed powder palettes, and super cute. You open this just is plastic, see-through there, and that's what I have on. My allergies are really bad right now. It was like 96 degrees today, so we went from a somewhat cool spring. We did have some 80s, but then we had, now it's hot. So I'm not sure how long this will last. We're supposed to have some rain soon. Then I have on my Tatcha lipstick. This is the only lipstick I've ever had from Tatcha. Mostly what I have from Tatcha is skincare. So this is, it says the Kissu lip tint, and it is in the color Midnight Lily, and it is a lip tint. She's very beautiful, very beautiful. You know, Tatcha has such gorgeous packaging, and it's just so pretty, so pretty. Smudge, his tail just keeps flapping. So I got this package and didn't know, you know, what it was, where it was from, so I opened it up, and inside is a card that says special invitation, and they have a 15% off code, which it's LOVECAT26. Everything that they have on their website is a $5 flat shipping. No matter how big your order is, how small your order is what my understanding is. It's SARZIA.net, SARZIA. They have the cutest stuff. It's woman owned. It is minority owned, and it's small business since 2010. Everything on the website is adorable. They have women's clothes, I should say, women's accessories and jewelry. There's beauty, there's bath and body, there's items for the home, sewing and craft items, and books and magazines. It's a really cute website. There's just not a lot of stuff in each category. So here comes blue. So let me show you what we got. They sent me some really nice things, and you guys, the pricing is incredible. The pricing is ridiculous, ridiculously inexpensive. So let's see what I got. Take everything else. Okay, move the plastic over by Smudge. He'll start chewing on it, and then you guys, that's what you'll hear. Okay, first off is there's 2 packages. This is on the outside, so we'll open this one first. These are adorable. It says Porcel Home Decor and Kitchen, and they are shabby chic fabric flower magnets. And there's 3 of them, and it is $13 for the set. Let me get it open and I'll show you. If Smudge would stop moving, it would be helpful. You can't tell this boy to do anything. All right, I'm gonna have to get the scissor because I'm not getting it open here. These are really cute, super cute. Okay, so they're magnets. So you can stick them on a filing cabinet, on your refrigerator, you know, in your baby's room. And so shabby chic, it is a fabric flower, and then this is wood, and then magnet on the back. These are just adorable, precious, and they had different ones to choose from. I didn't choose anything. They sent me this, and after I was about to contact them, and they contacted me and said, hey, we sent you something. If you like it, would you show it on your channel? So that's what I'm doing. Next up in this package, there's a few things in this package. there's some jewelry. So we have these earrings, and these are suede tassel earrings, y'all. And you'll never guess the price of it is incredible. See how cute they are. Let me, everything is nicely packaged. It's in a plastic, and then it is sealed, and the label was stapled on. So let me get it out of here if I can. Pretty much destroying the package. Here they are. Okay. So this is a French hook, and it has a little backer thing if you need that, and it's turquoise stone and then suede. Super, super cute. These are great for summer. These are $2 for the pair. $2. I'm just going to put one in just to show you. How cute is that? I mean, this is so summery. It's so summery and southwestern style and all. And there's the other one. Super cute. $2, y'all. $2. So you'll see, let me show you what else. Let me show you what else. I'm getting ahead of myself. Then they sent me this beautiful necklace. And this necklace is $6. The earrings are suede tassel earrings is what they're called. This necklace is called Listen to Your Soul. And this necklace being just $6. This, you could go on this website and choose a couple of items and send them to, you know, your best friend, your sister, your mother, your aunt, you know, anybody. Just a few little things, $5 shipping, that's it. So you can pick out 2 things, you can pick out 10 things, you know, whatever you want. But here's the necklace that they sent me. I like a longer necklace, so this works out really well for me. It's a silver chain, and it has an extender, if you like that. It is a lobster claw clasp, and it's got a lot of fun stuff going on it. So there's a little tassel. There are these silver beads. I have earrings that have these silver beads on that. This would go great with those earrings. Then it has these green stones, like sea moss kind of color, and orange going on. And we've got a charm there, and a teardrop there, and this square here. So it's interesting. It's interesting stuff. Let me see if I put it on. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it over my head, I think. Yeah. Okay, it's a little low. But there it is. Oops, that tassel got mixed up. But they have, you know, they have several to choose from. It's just the really interesting stuff going on there. And then they sent, okay, Smudge, if you want to get up, that'd be great. Then they sent this. This is a little makeup. This is from Korea. Oops, now let me put this back. Okay, Smudge, don't cause trouble. He's knocking the packaging over, of course. This is a palette, an eyeshadow palette, y'all. And this palette is it's from AMTS Korea, and it's called Some Love. They have a couple different ones on it, and this is $10. So you could just spend a few dollars and get a nice gift for someone. Make a little set with what you see on their website. So this is the palette. It's an eye and face palette. It is in Korean. There is a little English. It says All My Things palette, Some Love. Oh, that's what the AMTS, All My Things. So it's nice plastic. And when you open it up, we've got blush down here, and then these pretty colors. There's some shimmers and there's some mattes going on. So, oops. Oh, hey, that's nice. That's a protector for the colors. Keeps them from breaking, which is great. It's not just a slip of plastic that you can take off. I mean, it's a, this can go right back on. And that way it would protect it in your purse. So that's really nice. I'll put it back. Well, you can see it. And then I'll put it back. And then let me see which way it goes. Oops, I just stuck my finger in it. Well, since I stuck my finger, we'll swatch it real quick. Here's the blush. It's very, very light. The blush is very light. A lot of Korean makeup to me is very light. Oh, that's pretty. I'm just gonna do the shimmers real quick so you can see them. Hard to see them, but because they're very light. But that's the palette. That little plastic, which it's nice to have it, but then I stuck it right into the blush. So that's very pretty. So y'all, for, like I said, just a couple of bucks, you can get a nice gift to send to someone. Get them a palette or just get them some of the jewelry. Pick out these adorable magnets. Super cute. I love these. I just love these. Got our plastic. So thank you so much to SARZIA for sending this to me. It's beautiful stuff, and like I said, my discount code that'll save you 15%. The prices are fantastic. They do have some things that are a little bit higher priced in there as well, but a lot of what they have is very inexpensive. And then you can use the code LOVECAT26 to get 15% off additional, and then it'll be $5 to ship it anywhere. And then you're helping out a small woman-owned business. So y'all take care and count your blessings. And thanks for seeing what they sent me. And I love, these earrings are so fun with jeans, with some boots on. Go dancing. Cute, cute. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.